East Coast kid in the game again. About the game, son, to the end. East Coast kids, son, niggas, son. Yeah, LIL PISTOL, they really gone. I tell them niggas how it comes so lightly. Niggas wanna post me, boy, like they straight up ready to fight me. You already know it's really deep, dog. They do not like me. Bunch of hating motherfuckers, son, ready to scrape them up. Dog, nigga, back to take them up with the slugs. You already see it's really big. LIL PISTOL in the street. See me, son, I'm rapping the beat, killing the game, you see me. East Coast kid, all my flesh, boy, you cannot beat me. Little niggas can't tell it, boy, what they selling like. Little niggas see their death, boy, all in this life. You already know it's coming to the end, but he did not see it. It's LIL PISTOL, y'all know y'all wanna be me. You already know, son, I do my thing, I keep it hard, keep it real in the film, son. You go ahead, nigga, swear to God. Go ahead, I'm a ready God. You know me, boy, I keep it heavy. Got them guns, nigga, cock a bat, nigga, stay ready. Yeah, nigga, you already know what it is. The killer pistol, you know something in it. You already know the winner, nigga. Something dependent, nigga. Say it's good, it be like, boy, poor nigga still winning, but you see me, boy, like a rematch. These little niggas, they coming with the cops, son, they detach. Come on, son, they calling for that backup. And for that help, they come and run, they know LIL PISTOL back to show that back up. You already know this, crack you up. Nigga got the safety box, got the money, son, you wanna face me, boy, like Jack in the Box. Come on, son, I'm trapped, nigga, with the black no cheap lock. You know me, boy, I'm not the one to play with, nigga, that's real. You know I'm the killer clown that's standing your grill. And you punk nigga, feel my motherfucker feel to get killed. Because you need to make a meet their death. About to see in the street, you little nigga, to see the rest. You already put you on your back. You already know, boy, you make nothing. Little motherfuckers are fine. You already know, nigga, here I come again. Little nigga, I'm that real boy. You know, son, I'ma show you, nigga. Got that flame into it. You already know, nigga, ain't no game with me. Little niggas is ashamed to see. All these niggas they trying to pretend they cannot be the G. You already know that I do is just be creating myself and cremate everybody else to the death. You already know they get melted like on the pack. You see me, boy, hot in the spot like Baby Rock. When you go there, hell to rock. You already know this how be. You sleeping on the cotton and you trying to sway you under the feet. The kids, you already know it is what it is. I'm from the dead. Told them niggas I'm back in the game. You see me sound like falling the edge. Told them niggas got the legs up busting their heads. You see me, boy, got them shooting out in their head. Talking about they motherfuckers scared. Other kids don't piss to the motherfuckers. East Coast kid, you know me. No, I'm young nigga. You already know this never gonna be. You already know it's what it is, son. It's how I live it. These little niggas when they go, son, they say I'm just killing it. When they eat for nigga, you ride for nigga till you to death. This fly bad motherfucker, you already know. You go up, you already know I represent to the death, cause I'm the president. So I control everybody else you see. It really be like 2015, they niggas, you see me, yo, and it's like, I'm doing my thing, nigga, you already know it, keep it right, bitch. Because kids in this bitch again. Because kids in this bitch again. Freestyle unit, nigga. You already know, boy. Because kid, motherfucker. Hold y'all bust ass niggas to lay ya undercover. Because this we gon' get placed under anyway, brother. Punk motherfucker, yeah, nigga get stunted. You already know it will be hit a minute dungeon. You see me son, I'm facing it like the world punishment. You already see me, boy, I'ma punish them niggas they trying to come in. You already know Sunday, Valentine, they put them in the basement. And got them little niggas that come running, trying to replace me. And had me behind these bars, sitting this star. You already see these pussy ass niggas now. You already know they see this spot. See their hearts and they gon' know this coming to the end. And I see your heart rate coming to a straight point. Then your life is done. You already know what's really deep. Lil Pistol in the streets, you niggas cannot fuck around, boy. It's really be like kids. Yeah, it's really be like kids. East Coast kid, nigga. Lil Pistol.